I'm Alessandro Pitanti. I'm a scientist from National Research Council in Italy, and I'm HCube project coordinator. In this project, we are trying to build a terahertz camera for the infrared range of light with a special feature that we call hyperspectral sensibility. It means that it can give you a colored image, like the same concept we have for RGB in traditional cameras. And we are working in this project with several partners: National Research Council, University of Salerno, Fondazione Bruno Kessler, and Electra Synchrotron in Italy, University of Eastern Finland, and then recent in Austria, Teraville from Lithuania, and finally Asteria Business Development in Cambridge, UK. As scientists, we face everyday technical and scientific challenges in our research. But in this particular project, since we're trying to get a product for the market, we need to face different challenges. So our device cannot simply work. It needs to work reliably. It cannot be too cumbersome. It cannot be too expensive. It needs to be tailored for the market needs. And so these are all different challenges we are facing. We're learning quite a lot, and it's been a very interesting adventure so far. Nowadays, when we want to see what's inside an object or inside living beings, we need to use X-rays. But X-rays can be dangerous for your health. We are trying to build a camera for light that you cannot normally see, infrared light in the terahertz range. And this light gives you very, very interesting information about what's inside objects or inside living bodies. The terahertz range is so low energy that it's perfectly safe and with no damage at all. On top of that, we want to make this a color camera. So the image you see, it needs to be colored, not simply grayscale. And that can give you a better resolution and better appreciate the image you're taking. These have, of course, a lot of applications for like healthcare, to quality control, security, and so on and so forth. We want to make it faster, make it better, and make it easier for everybody. I'm a physicist. I graduated in Pisa and I did my PhD in Trento. After that, I moved back to Pisa for a postdoc, but very soon I left. I wanted to see a bit what's around the world, and I moved to Caltech for a couple of years as a Marie Curie fellow. After that, I went back to Pisa and I started doing research at National Research Council, where I'm nowadays. On top of that, in these days, I'm a visiting scientist at Paul Drude Institute in Berlin.